Hello, I'm Kathy Curley, and on behalf of the Office of the CIO and the University of Michigan IT Council and Governance Committees, I'd like to share the new IT capital investment and shared service approval process with you. This process is new for fiscal year 12 and provides an improved ability to prioritize fiscal year 13 information technology related funding requests. This annual approach is a means to help ensure that the most important requests receive funding and are aligned to the university's strategic direction. In the next few minutes, I'll explain more about what this process is, why it is important, who should use it, and when are the key dates. There are three primary scenarios for using this process. First, this process is used for requesting capital funding greater than $1 million for any IT-related investment. As an example, an IT investment may include costs for any of the following: consulting, staff augmentation, hardware, or software. Secondly, this process is used to submit requests for the creation or expansion of IT shared services, regardless of the funding amount. This includes services under the proposed IT funding model that are considered public good or available and used by all units, TOL, available to all units but only used by some, and community, only available and used by a few units. Lastly, while some units may not need to request funding, unit-funded investments over $1 million are also included in this process. Including these requests will help improve understanding and communication of university-wide IT priorities. Additionally, these requests will be reviewed from an enterprise architecture perspective to help identify opportunities for utilizing shared services and existing technology that's offered by other campus IT providers. The creation and execution of this new annual IT capital investment and shared service approval process allows the university the ability to review and compare information technology requests collectively instead of on a case-by-case basis. This approach, similar to the Provost Capital Projects process, helps ensure our limited resources are spent on the most important priorities that are in line with the university's strategic direction. This process also provides a channel for improved awareness of unit-driven innovation efforts and provides opportunity to more quickly assess needs and opportunities across multiple units. This process also provides a channel for improved awareness of unit-driven innovation efforts and provides opportunity to more quickly assess needs and opportunities across multiple units. Who uses this process? This process supports information technology investments to be used by all schools and colleges and administrative units. This includes the health science schools, such as the medical school and the School of Nursing, as well as centers and institutes. This process for funding requests does not support the hospital and health centers or the Dearborn and Flint campuses. However, those units are encouraged to submit their projects that require integration through this process for awareness, visibility, and support. So let me explain how it works. Similar to the Provost Capital Project Review process, all requests for funding in the next fiscal year are due by September 15th of the current fiscal year. This allows for all the IT investment requests to be evaluated against institutional priorities, and again, collectively, instead of on a case-by-case basis. This process also provides an entry point into receiving assistance from enterprise architecture. All requests will be reviewed by the enterprise architecture team, who may contact the requester to offer guidance for optimizing the solution within the campus technology roadmap. The Office of CIO staff will then organize and distribute all of the requests to the IT governance domain committees. Those committees will prioritize the requests that are relevant to their domain. After each committee has completed their prioritization, the domain committee's recommendations are consolidated and submitted to the IT Council. The IT Council reviews all requests and submits a final, consolidated prioritization recommendation to the IT Executive Committee. The IT Executive Committee will review, approve, and submit the prioritization to the Capital Projects Committee. The Capital Projects Committee will identify how many of the priorities can be funded for the year. They will disperse funding across as many of the highest priority building and IT investment requests as possible. Prioritization recommendations and decisions by the U of M IT Governance Committees and IT Council will be made available on the Office of the CIO's website. So let's get started. If you have initiatives or ideas that need funding for fiscal year 13, please visit the Office of the CIO website to download the request form. Requests will be submitted via email and are due by September 15th. Optional tools for determining your funding needs and assessing the return on your investment are also available on the Office of the CIO website. Thanks for listening and for your support of this important strategic planning process. We look forward to seeing your ideas and to helping campus achieve Next Gen Michigan. Go Blue.